In this video, we're going to show you how to buy and sell Ethereum NFTs on Opensea. Head over to opensea.io, get your wallet connected in the top right. So as you can see here, I've got my wallet connected, and I'm going to switch and make sure that we are on the Ethereum blockchain. So we're going to go to MetaMask and make sure we are under the Ethereum mainnet. All right, so let's take a look at our projects. Hopefully you've done some research already, and it depends on how much you're playing with. So we only have a little bit, but we could probably still pick something up. If not, we'll at least show you the steps on how to buy. So we're gonna go to view all right, and then we're gonna go under 7-day and see what's relevant. And we're gonna make sure we are under Ethereum. Under chains, we're going to select Ethereum. And then under categories, we'll keep it under all categories. And what we're going to do is toggle through the floor price. We're going to go from lowest to highest and then highest to lowest as well. We're going to be under all categories, and we're going to go and click on floor price. So this will give us from the most expensive to least expensive. So we can toggle between the two. So these are significantly cheaper compared to the last bull run, by the way. So today we're September 17th, 2023. These Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs were much more not too long ago. So it's probably a good time to buy, in my opinion. All right, so we're gonna go from cheapest to highest. And based on our budget, there's quite a few that we can pick up. So there's the boring punks. All right, and these have changed quite a bit recently. So maybe we'll even check those out. 0.02 ETH. All right, and these are kind of cool. So definitely do research, see how many there are, make sure it's got good utility, check out the website. We're just doing this as an educational point to show you how to buy and sell. All right, so it looks like we're going to pick up a boring punk. So we're going to click on buy now. And then we are going to sign this transaction. So we have a balance of 38 and the last sale was 0.02. So we could pick one of these up for 0.0155 ETH. And we're going to sign a transaction using our Trezor. So now we're going to confirm the transaction. And our gas fees is around $3, so not too bad. It is now 6:20 a.m., just to give you an idea. And we are going to confirm and pick up one of these NFTs. Now if we go to our account, you can see the NFT in our wallet, and we can now list our NFT for sale. So what I'm going to do is click on this NFT, and we're going to list it for significantly more. For example, you could list for 2.4 ETH, and that would be like $4,000. You can set the duration and complete your listing. So all you have to do is sign that transaction, follow the steps, and you are now ready to list your NFT. You should definitely browse different projects on different chains and see what you like most. That's all we have for you in this video. We will see you in the next one.